Conway, Myrtle Beach Airport, Soapestee, Red Hill, Springmaid Pier, Horry, Loris, Johnsonville. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fair Bluff, or 8 miles northeast of Mullins, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Mullins, Tabor City, Chador, Bethel, Lake Waccamaw, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Boardman, Fork, Hallsboro, Nakina, Redbug, Gateway, Southeastern Community College, Williams, Cherry Grove, Old Dock, Molly, and Sydney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for